Next, I would like to request our fourth speaker, Professor C.H. Evolve Maitai, Department of MIMS, Manipur University, and Director CESD, to express his view on the topic Skill and Technical Education, Vocational and Technical Education Towards a Skill Future.
그놈도 합석에 아니 슈더다 시샤 예 펜드라이브 mouse out there. Respected dignitaries on the dais, resource persons, learned educationists, teachers, special invitees, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good afternoon you all. Ahan makada lengsin biri bakwai punamakpu koknon na kurumjari. Sigum laba national level gi convention state level gi conclave convention saida ayhakusu sarugyaba gi khudong chaba ma pibi begi damakta sinbilang biri ba khwai punamakpu ahana makada kai khumna jabga loina tabimal khangba dyoga achauba laman nama tuansan jare haina phungduk chage. Well, we have heard a lot about the new education policies, the NEP 2020, starting from the school level, preschools, turn to the higher educations. In fact, we have got so much of domains and the dimensions in this policy document, and out of which let me just pick up a couple of points which may be of some relevance as for the skill development, as for the vocational educations related to the technical skill development, etc. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we just can see the today's youths, the tomorrow's future. So that's why whatever is educations we are giving, it is mainly for the nation building. Any of the developed nations, whatever we are having today, is the developmental activities taking place in these countries, the regions, or the state is very much dependent on the kind of the education system, the educational things that people are having. Lamdam mama sakhot pada khaidaki maru oire se lamdam tu the lairiba miyoi kanglup tuna phangiba mahima sing tambagi machat madugi education system duna achauba role ama lawi haina thazani. It's turned out to be true also. Dugulena lunena kidauba economic develop oiba lamdam mama oihansi haibataragadi. The drivers of economic development for any of the developed nations is the entrepreneur, innovators, and entrepreneurs only. So that's why we are required to generate more number of innovators, entrepreneurs, so that they may be able to provide good number of jobs. So that's why we will be just coming back. Okay. Well, hojiksi kedoba building competitive nations. Leibak si achuba nation nama oina na bagi syamkat na bagi tanja duni aduna hiram khudi makta lam khudi makta akhoi competitive position se yamna phajab mawong amada syamkat pase mathau tarai aduna hojik se just like running for a sprinter race, every single minute, every single fractions of the second is becoming so important in this competitive era. Aduna education gi lam dasu aduga lam khudi makta chakhatna nabake da makta akhoi da competitive ki spirit malakpa mathau tai loina na mang da mayam amadi thambikre national education policy gi maraksidagi aina khajiktang khangat jaraga mayam da amuktang highlight tawzaning ba se India is envisioning to become a global knowledge superpower in the next few years down the line. Lakadaru bachahi kharasaida India se knowledge ki superpower ma oinina bagi mang duni mang minarise. Aduna mang adu mang pauna na bagi damakta akoi NEP sila ini. Aduna kedoba lakadaru ba 2025 sibaugi manung dadi 50% of the learners, students say, starting from class 6 onwards, mako is a vocational gi trend amma natraga amada exposure pigetone. It's clearly written in this document. Luna na kedoba India gi 2018 the labor gross enrollment ratio in higher education say 26.3% ni. Aduna by 2035 ta means ngasidagi padaga chahi 35 gi matung dadi masigi gross enrollment ratio means after 10 plus 2 first degree tamdana ba duga higher degrees phangnana ba tamak kadaw bas hatragi masing se enrollment se 50% de head katorene. That means ngasi 2020 ni saida around 26 point something late na khala se do idadi we are now going to almost double the gross enrollment ratio. It's a big dreams. In fact, we have a great challenge to implement it. Aduga kedoba by 2040 the entire higher educational institutions in say multidisciplinary oyu. Aduga every district, almost in every district of the country, there should be one meru multi-educational research university some lay down there. The university issue teaching based university, research based university, haibana chingba khaiduri and the college so akhoi teaching college aduga research based the university lagna ba tongan ba mangda oja singchina thamikre koi autonomous ki level da lagna ba aduga maru oiba element ama suyauri kidoba skill manpower to meet the requirements of industry revolution 4 sai keynote speaker na so different stages of industry revolution ki matang da takpi rendana lakadoriba hojuji akhoi na thengnariba industry revolution stikidoba the blockchain technology ki artificial intelligence ki internet of things ki tongan ba makhal ki industry ki domain sai da aikhoi ki haithoi singthoi ba young minds sing young people sing se fit into ba mathau tarak ba adu itargadi makoi da karma makal gi skill set karma makal gi technical knowledge piba mathau tarai haibadu madugi ya nanaba education policy asaida yam phajana palli aduga mathangda akoi atop area khara yengo matamda integration of the professional educations by 2030 da akoi agriculture legal health technical licensing se akoi multidisciplinary oi hal nanabagi locally aduga tongan ba area akoi regulatory bodies sing se single kanoda body da punsal laga vertical mari thona khaidoga akoi gi education gi regulation grant pibna chingba mayam ama laikre aduga curriculum semga daba china singba aduga maru oiba khachitang aina skill amasung technical education ga mari lena lokko chaning bada establishment of startup incubation centers technology development centers and industry academia linkages maram di kay gino hakanda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ young people say in fact India is a young nation ni aduga makoigi aspirations makoigi expectations standard of living lakatriba sai khara saida karamba makhalgi punsi maril amada makoi hingningi ge haiba se khangna maduge policy yatpi ba lambi sembi ba ama changi aduna industry oriented oirakpa industry ki demand meet tawba ngamna ba khona ba aduguma makhalgi education system do natragadi degree manufacturing house oina leiraga degree khaktang paiba aduga market ta chanabam khangdabagi adugumba achauba challenge amakhak ngasi akhoi thengnari madugumba singdo khoi lokthokna na ma khona ba mathau tai aduna khasiktang yengminaba yabada India se khaidagi youngest nation ni maramdi 40% of the Indian population out of 1.25 billion sabaso crore is under 18 years of age. Aduga 54% of the India's human resource pool say under 35 years ni. Yam young wiriza ni. Aduga 65% of the entire population say is between the working age group 15 to 59. Aduna ni. Aduga atopa atai countries in the year compare to India gi average is at 26 by 2022 the average is at 29 gumalani aduga hoji US aduga Europe German or Japan for that matter they are touching 47 adun aging population si yamna hengalakpa aduga young people sina replenish tawgataw ma gi keno sing si walakpa sigumbagi samasya su ko German na chingbada yamna thoe and makoigi singsi young madamda India gi young mind singse sukimatic productive oire aduga 12 million about 1.2 crores say every year thabak si tawrage na koi thola ine aduga skill ja mung yemo madamda di National Skill Development Corporation na koi keno saukan saida by 2022 the magi requirements around 11.92 that means 12 crore mukse akoi 24 sectors masigi tipa requirements laiba adun skill gi atauba gap ama sulai aduna masigi keno si jeng matamda India da skill si laktringe mangda koina yengba yaba se akoi gi gross enrollment ratio si atauba issue ama di oi maram di kaino da UNESCO na pibagi matungina 30% GR and above city kan develop oiba nation namada lakna na bagi criteria oi khalakpa aduna India gi 26.3 sinadi China ga panabadam China di hoji 48.1 yogre aduga even USC around touching 90% so namara moidana akoi gross enrollment si hengalang na bagi akoi multiple exit multiple entry na chingba pikalai adna skill gi area si da yengbada akoi South Korea picture ga so yam develop oiba brand apa Samsung go hairo natraga Hyundai hairo sina chingba mayam ama tawrise makhui gi employability se akoi employment si yeng matamda 96% of the workforces they are getting skill training before they join for any kind of employment whereas in case of Canada and Japan is 80%, German the 75 ni, UK the 68 muyawe duga even developing countries like Mexico 24%, whereas in case of our country it's only 10%, and out of which formal training is provided only to 4%, 6% among informal unorganized sector the way. Adunani government of India is giving strong emphasis in the skill sector. The Mashiga Marile there is one more this one research finding I just would like to share in front of all of you. India na charapa akoi chahiya mada putokpa engineering ki graduates around 3.6 lakhs. Khara hojik hendo henjin de laira ni chahiya mani ki difference laire. Aduga general graduate BA, BSc, BCom na chingbas puthoi sina 6 lakhs per year ni. But the makoigi employability say yengo matamda 25% of engineering graduates be readily employable. Only 25. 75% namadi moise thabak tawbada matik cha de haire. Whereas general graduation na kaidoba only 10% is readily employable. And akoigi 90% namadi moise thabak tawbada matik cha de haigalaini. Aduga thabak phangdabagi adusu laring lai chu hairaba educated youths mayam sigi masingdi is increasing alarmingly day by day no get we hangal ab aduna kedoba makhuida kari awat pun leibadagi market ta chanabang khangakri noise nainarba syama thau tare aduna employability se they require some sort of a skill set koina education si yenga matamda ayambana focus se cognitive knowledge creation knowledge ki state da oina tawre adubu holistic oni yenga ku matamda di akoina three pillars ahum si ningsing bi bachangi one is the knowledge yes cognitive parts aduga another is a skill in a psychomotor makyagi haitoi thoi ba lakaduri se then attitude and behavior sumai daudna magi behavior ne attitude ne sina ama oiba aduga skill na ama aduga knowledge na ahum si phasana mapung mari phana koi se piragadi magi chanabam se anywhere adum laini they definitely will become a productive citizens of the society aduna new education policy da masigi mami se yamna phajana chawna tari aduna effective graduate programs lakma tamda we should have a good human skills tongan ba interpersonal soft skills ki matang da koi khangba changi communication skill professional skills life skills problem solving gi tongan ba akoi technical skill gi asina chingba skills setting se piragadi graduate program gi employability side asuke matik koi kana basi oi namaramaduna tangai fadana all the koi gi students sing say great skill area say the exposure pinanabagi tanda da koi lae that is another very encouraging step taken up by the NEP 2020 aduga hard reality so dom yang bio educated unemployed youth ki masing cha dom yang laini even in a small state like manipur da goi around 28.5 lakhs mamangi 2011 is census labor sidai da 7 lakhs above the koi thabak phangdaba employment exchange rate sa tawbnen pikhlaini adu idargadi it turns out to be 25% of the entire population is educated unemployed youths. So that's why it's a very challenging task for any of the policy planners to address the issues of these unemployment problems. So simba mayam si yenga kanda need for skill-based education is a must. Aduna skill workforce si puthoda ba the vocational education si amalgamate tawra kanda da part of the akoi gi general education system say da chatmi na targati masa gi haithoi sing thoi baduna maram moiduna masa se gainfully employed tawba ama or natraga they can become a job creator by employing themselves adune masigi matang silak matamda promotion of entrepreneurship skills entrepreneurship education in the general education system is a must and even India also hojikla is a kaidoba around 30 crore out of 120 crore population is below the poverty line. BPL gi makha da lady say around crore kuntra mungne. Ado idargadi it's again 20% mukti adum akoi below the poverty line lady heba. Ado mayam si men na ba khona matam da government na mipung khudi makta job amamam piba haiba city oithoroi. Aduna kedoba akoi na tamjaruri ba mahai masing sidagi ai isa na hona jarakanda da self employed to way aba mi kharabusu thabak pibangamba aduguma mioi kanuk ki masing do yam halagadi lamdam do saukhatpada achauba mateng oidorini aduna niko entrepreneurs are the drivers for the economic development of any region haigalaise chakhole hariba Japan chakhole hariba Korea China US makhui the saukhle say is because of the enterprise culture and sigumba yam friendly oiba ecosystem amaka develop tawna na ba khona bada new education policy na su achauba mateng ama dum pangi na maramaduna entrepreneurship and skill development can be possible through vocational and technical education and that's why we can take the utmost benefit from the provisions given in the NEP 2020 for the implementation of the vocational educations and the technical education as nothing but And hojiki technical education higher kanda All India Council of Technical Education AICT makada engineering tamba diploma duga khara koigi even hospitality hotel management and pharma singju khatana technical oina pulli aduga hongai ba train sidati I say arts tamba satra ogera humanities tamba satra ogera computer ki application khangak taba yaraktre hojik yung khudimakta smart house oikalei car chelaku matamda akoi kenus driverless car chenkalei aduna technological innovation and technological intervention in every sphere of the life is becoming an inevitable component of life. That's why everyone has to have some sort of a exposure and acquaintances in the skills and vocational, or for that matter, the technical knowledge. This is how we ourselves can transform to become a very, very productive workforce in the years to come. And aduna kitang aina kitang thamjaningba ama khaktang di khaidauba chawa ayam ama countries developed ogre akhoi kaidauba ta ge heb akhoi honadabadi yate heb tawdabu mi amana career system matamda akhoi di adu oidi ade ada oidi ade haiba ama ani khaki framework to later gadi madu yararoi marabaduna kaidauba new education policy na haire si satra amadu da lairiba magi creativity magi talents hidden innovative ideas singdo madu akhoi puthok chananabagi tanja pire ini aduna choice based credit system pire aduna credit banks khamakanda mana khangjabas area kharadu credit to earn tawrakanduda degree ma phangnanaba diploma ama loibi ananaba madugi yam flexible mode ama khakta lai maramaduna ai di science samgrabanina literature gi natraga art ki acting gi drama gi or natraga some solve sculpturing gi kachang haijaba uthokpo yananabadu akhoi sida di watertight compartment oina hajik phawdu lady adubu NEP 2020 lakpadagi di masigi watertight compartment se hajik di masi open up tawre aduna we have a good opportunities for harnessing our potential hidden potentials in fact aduna matang sida icham chamba kenom khak thamjaning se akhoi thiebaga thengu gi lamjel tanabatu ne ko akoina angang singda ayam koina angang oringai dagi tamjarapada su khangjarai se thiebana thoi thiebaga thengu go chena madamda thengu na thoi gi kabdong thoi gi mana leptana chenba thiebana yangna chenthorga marakta tumthokiba the slow and steady wins the race ina akoi tamjarai that's also true akoi mai pakchi haidarga di akoi leptana honabam changi adu karigumba lamjel se anirak suboin tadaram targa di kanan thoini thiebana thoini ko mamdi mamang de mat pu horamnina ma hundred cheng khaneba so it will be winning by multiple folds aduna another learning akoi na khangi sine ke doba sidagi failure is a pillar of success as a human being we may make mistake but we should not repeat the same lan gibi show gibi for the first time but not for the second time aduga ke doba if you are fast and consistent I think it will be very difficult for the others to beat you and that's why akoi fast oiba consistent oiraga di khwaidagi henna mu fare and anishiba lamjin tana kan di thiebana thoi and thiebana thoi yimside di thengu she mu nungai train he manu kare harake kan se da we can just have another round of a rest hum suba rest amtanga tawgi si tawbada bu handakti lamjel se kangphan da tana ragum si ising do ina tana si hai kanan thuini ising da tana radi thengu na thuini ko maram di ke no di ising si thengu gi my habitat now the point which I want to share with you is that if you want to compete in the area where you are having strong points if you want to make a career identify your strong areas and build around it definitely you will be successful aduna koine skilled education da technical education da for that matter in any stream of study we may take up we must identify our strong areas and let's try to give proper counseling to the learners the students at least they develop their career in their strong areas adugi tanja se NEP da di am chauna pi and masi gi sai da ko am tak aware oi minar kan da akoi na engineering gi trade du matang tam gadam ni natraga medical gi natraga sigi profession khatang da tam gadam ni hana laiba se masi akoi hojikti khasitang open oi ba machange. We need people who can work for the oceanography. We need people who can work for Manipur se koi gi Bharat ki awang no pok chidai da landlock koi na koi easternmost corner da lairi ne. India gi yang matam de ko landlock koi mata oi tomasung India, Northeast and the Southeast Asian ji yang tar ga di ai koi Manipur, especially Imphal se epicenter oi bi aba ma pham ne hena tham jage. Maram di keno ha kan da the proposed national highway number No, okay, sorry. Asian Highway number 1 from Tokyo to Turkey is passing through More Damu sector. Manipur, Imphal, Pauraga Sakidorene. Asian Highway number 1. Aduga transition highway, transition railway coming up. Aduna Kedoba in next couple of years, Soidanaki Imphal Lasu railway Herchi Yauradoine. Aduga it is likely to pass through More Damu and then will be reaching other ASEAN countries, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, etc. Aduga Asian Highway number 2 from Singapore to Saurashtra and Scotland. Again, it is passing Imphal Damu sector. Akoi sidagi laiba ruchi shodam Imphal Damu sector se pass toward sa le aduna Manipur se the same namak akoi Southeast Asian countries sing yeng matamda it's becoming an important place. Yam strategically located oiba strategically yam khoi gi kai maru oiba epicenter amadu oire e. And the smai do na land lock oiba degi land link oira adana international gi market sig sabnarak matam sida ai khoi gi young mind sing sigina ta hogdabu sikari do. What could be their preparedness? Ado itaragadi skill development, skill education, vocational education, asina singbasing sina achauba makhoi gi employability gi foundation ma oi hoba taragadi hongai ba world gi scenario sai sai da akoi soidana maki phida khara do jasu kanba ngam dore ne aduna NEP 2020 lakpo iroina na skill da maybe trade da commerce da tourism gi hospitality gi agriculture gi foreign trade gi or for that matter even jewelries ki agriculture ki packaging ki whatnot there are n number of opportunities available masi ki say the vocational ki trade se yam systematically within the ambit of national skill qualification framework akoi lokhat piragadi soidana ki kanaba se phangani aduna sumba kanaba se NEP 2020 sina pirabani aduna from the respective colleges or the schools wherever feasible at least let's try to contribute something from the trades which may be of certain use for our young people that in the meantime we can keep not of the resources available in our locality too aduna masi yen consider even agriculture high consider agro-tourism Manipur that Northeast that the way about homestay facilities and agricultural produces singsiga yam innovative way that agribusiness activities and tourism ga amalgamate to rakan chai da koi chatmin na ba ya khlai ne kangbu kharadi hosit ukai si kamai doge si khangda ba yaure ne ado eta di you come to my place and you see and you can enjoy ukai tong ba se ado eta ga di many people can come and then earn money. This is what people are doing even in Lonavala near Mumbai. Just example amakaki wane don lairiba akoi orchids ki oiro tongan ba mayam ama akoi keno se yengba yari akoi agricultural produce export to ba adna kizitang last when I pandening mata I'll take just a couple of minutes and then I'll wind up. Implement na ba lakma tamda akoi challenges mayam ta lai ado the way forward timeline na madi thamba matau tai government ki oinasu college go inasu university go inasu whatever in the next 5 years down the line or 10 years or 20 or 15 years down the line I koi na NEP stagi kari tau kata ge maram di chauraba koi gi program se aina amuk tang da sahi amada ni de hektal loisan bang amoy maram di we cannot eat an elephant in a day chauraba samu ji tan de chaw har ding am da basya but if you eat piece by piece bit by bit or slice by slice definitely you may be able to accomplish. Smile tawdana NEP gi saruk khara se lakaduriba sahi seida machet akoi gi target basis da chambiraga implement tawbiraga de yamna akoi kanaba oigani aduna mayam saida tongan ba innovative ki program industry institute partnership ki training of the faculty members and curriculum designing choice based credit system outcome based learning startup incubation mayam ama tawbaga loina na vocational studies and technical skill development should definitely form a good component of the implementation strategies. Aduna, all the colleges, mayam sing se, skill development initiatives se already UGC makada haure, UGC na masidagi pass out or se BVOC degree pire, aduga first semester even certificate, aduga first years in a diploma, second years in advanced diploma, aduga third year loragana degree pire ni, aduga MPhil degree akoi piba sudum yare, Manipur University da last 5 years agi akoi tourism and hospitality management da retail and foreign trade da akoi BVOC degree run tawi, hadaki current year sessions dagi MPhil degree si UGC ne approval piraktana masters degree bawa pukhanan na bakhona jari, aduga food processing and quality management gisulai, sumai tawdana tongan ba ministry na tawbaga loina na school college sing da su vocational gi program se in a befitting manner akoi tawba se mathau tari aduna organized way da la akanda da UGC na su equivalence pyramid na mana MPSC gi UPSC gi exam thazage na trehagana higher mobility da transdisciplinary vertical mobility da chachage any graduate amana yaba thabak da education da tamjabado vocational da BVOC paijaba amana su yabagi ayaba se UGC na pire masida pire ba letter says is an acceptance by the UGC aduna maram moidana akhoi gi angang sing da leiramba akhoi gi khasiktang fear psychosis haigadra madu masing lokthok pirakanda masigi activities se lokhat piragadi akoi soidana bagi lamdam se self reliant oinana ba self sufficient economy but the lagna na khona matam da every single individual should be productive in some way or the other aduna masaida achauba mieng se changagadi manipur sisu lakaduriba sahida transform tawbada achauba akoi mateng oigani aduna tongan ba area mayam amadi leire at one course na lakadauba sina singba aduga tawbudabu introduction of locally relevant vocational and skill development courses in the agribusiness, in vermicomposting, waste management, food processing, bamboo technology, floriculture, tourism, hospitality, and even the apparel, jewelries, etc. This is not the exclusive, this is just a selective few. Smile out na koi yeng bayari, akoi roti, kapra or makan, sana thangna ba si basic need for the human being. Adubu ngasi leiba course hangiba BA BSc BCom se except 1 or 2 colleges food processing gi food technology gi hang basi akoi manipur de lei tribani ado itari foreign policy formation tawmatam da handaki NEP 2020 lakh matam sidi vocational trade exposure pi matam da food process tawna ba tongan na packaging tawna ba yam hygienic oiba mawong da nutritive oiba mawong da tawtaragadi mangon da gainful employment na mapiba yare aduga lamdam dugi economy da chu achauba mateng ama koi biya torene and sigum basing se koi policy planner sing na chungjin birakanda skill base skill workforce sa khona na khona bada vocational and technical education law riba thodang se chitang khangbiraga paikhat piraga di kana ba se koi gi young people sing da hena phangani aduna yam sana lawsroi dage manam de kenoida akhoi gi talent sing se we are to align our talent landscape to meet the India's vision of $5 trillion economy. Akoi economy say by 2025 the $5 trillion economy oinena magi mangi aduna masing amna bagi damakta akoi talent landscape si change so mathau tai manamaduna young people sing say the vocational gi skill development gi aduga technical knowledge se lehan nanaba khona bada achauba contribution nama pigadore bane aduna academic reforms innovative curriculums all are the prerequisites for achieving this kind of a target and last but not the least aina thamjaning ba se entrepreneur is the one who identifies and sensitizes the opportunities innovate the ideas raises money and assemble inputs and set and manage the organization. In fact, they are the drivers of economy in any developed nation. And makoy se koi yam phajana masing yam hanba ama changi de loina na kedoba. If India is to transform into a true knowledge power and realize a future of prosperity and growth, a radical change of education system with quality and innovation the central is a very much essential in the light of the global trends happening. And for that, NEP 2020 definitely will give a sound, justifiable answer. And in fact, it shall pave a new vistas for transforming India into a true global knowledge superpower in the next few years down the line. And for that, we are required to have a concerted effort from all the stakeholders, maybe universities, colleges, societies, public, whosoever is concerned for that, all the stakeholders. Aduna masi honarakpada akoi sinaba mayam amadi akoi thengnagani aduna aroibada aina thamjaningba I have the pleasure of sharing these things, especially for the young minds. Kaidauba chaugraba jungle da sa mayam ama lei sa mayam di manangda sa ani khaktang ai example ne lokachage gazelle haiba sa mane saji aduga sa mayam gi ning thorel oiba nong sa amaga nong hengan baga si saji si kaidauba. Every morning when this gazelle wakes up, it knows that it must run how fast? Faster than the fastest lion. Kaidigi yang na chenba nong sado adudagi di ma na hen yang na chen diade. Mamdi keno da nong sai kya ta ta ma shi ni ko. Aduga this lion, the king of the animal, hek nong an baga kaidawa ma sa hogale. Every morning when it wakes up, it knows that it must outrun the slowest gazelle. Kaidigi yang da na chenba saji du dagi di ma na hen yang na chen diade. Nata targadi ma sa saji du sarak dam phangoi do. Sarak dam phang dri ke do ba ma su lama ga mabuk lama shi do re ba. The point which I would like to share, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter whether you are a lion or a gazelle. When sun comes up, we better be running. Nong heng an baga, akoi si saji ne na laushira, nong sa ne na laushira, launing ba da laubiyo. That means akoi si apik pa siyatan laibin laushira, achobi siyatan laibin laushira, apik pa school na laibin laushira, achobi school na laibin laushira, achobi university na laushira, apik pa university na laushira, launing ba da laubiyo, tauba da bu saji oigera, nongsa oigera, hot po hona dragadi, mana pangaduriya pole se sapane. The consequence will be the same. That's why let's put our efforts together. We should be hardworking. We should try to get almost the best benefits out of the policies of NEP 2020, and that way we may be able to contribute something to make our state an economically vibrant state in the next few years down the line. So with that note, I wish you all of us, and I'm very much thankful to all of you for the present hearing. Thank you. Thank you so much.